Hello, and welcome. Today we will be learning about the demand and supply in the markets and how to identify them. Okay, so first let's understand what is demand and supply. When in any markets, be it stocks, commodity, forex, if the buyers are more, then it is said that particular market is in demand and the prices rise. Similarly, when the sellers are more in any market, the prices tend to fall. When the buyers exceeds the sellers and the falling prices halt and reverse, then that zone is defined as a demand zone. Similarly, when the rising prices halt and reverse, then a supply zone is created around those price levels. Let's have a look on how demand and supply zones look like. Whenever the prices reach a particular demand zone, they tend to reverse up to the recent supply zone, and the same happens when the prices reach the supply zone. Now let's understand how to plot the demand and supply zones. First, to plot a demand zone, we need the prices to reverse at least 2 times from a particular price levels. Then we can consider that zone as a demand zone. Let's see an example. Here, as we can see, I have marked 2 points where the prices reversed around the same price levels. Then we can draw a zone around those levels, and if the prices visit these zone for the 3rd time, then we can buy, as we knew that we are at a demand zone. Now let's understand how to plot the supply zones. As we see in this example, we waited for the price to reverse at least 2 times from around the same price levels. Then we drew a horizontal price zone, and then when the 3rd time the prices approached the same zones, we shorted the markets, as we knew the prices have approached the supply zone. Now we understand how the prices behave around the demand and supply zones. It will definitely take you some time to practice plotting the demand and supply zones, but once you learn, the trading becomes a very easy task. Now let's have a look for Nifty's today intraday analysis. This is a 5-minute intraday chart of Nifty. I have marked today's day using a vertical dotted line, and I have also plotted the major and minor zones for Nifty. With practice you will also be able to plot the zones. As you can see, we had already marked the demand and supply zones for today, and as the prices approached those zones, you can see how they behaved and gave us good opportunity. I hope you learnt the concepts of demand and supply, and also how to identify and plot those zones in real-time markets. In the coming videos I will be discussing a next level of technical analysis and how they can be used to spot the entry and exit levels in markets. Please like, share, and subscribe for more learning-related videos.